Hi everyone, so today we're gonna do some Michael Kors unboxing. So I just read this one last night, so let's go open it up. Hi, so this is the bag that I ordered from Michael Kors. I think this is the Jodie bag. So I got this in white color, and look at this. It's so, actually I like the color because it's cute. But in terms of the quality, to be honest, I don't like it because it's more like of a plasticky bag. But it does the job, so I'm okay with that. So this is it. Actually, it's really cute, to be honest. I really like this bag. It's so small. My only complaint with this bag, same thing with other people who did the reviews, is they don't have a closure in here like a snap, and it would be also great if they also have the straps. So if you don't want to use it as a handle bag, you can actually use the strap as a crossbody bag. But for me it's fine because I'm used on this. But if you have a kid, crossbody bag will be really helpful for you. So that's it. Actually, like I said, I really like it. It's just that when you touch it, it feels like more a plastic, like a grocery bag. But with the price that I paid, I'm really good at it. So I'm gonna do another review with this bag. What's gonna fit on it, the sizes and everything. But for now, we're just gonna do unboxing. So goodbye and thank you for watching.